Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to use saved audio on Instagram story. First of all, go to your Instagram and now just tap on this plus icon to create a new story. Here select story and let's upload a photo to create a story. Now to add a music, just tap on this music icon and here tap on saved, and under saved folder you will find all of your saved musics or audios. Now just select the saved music that you want to add to the Instagram story, and that's it. Now just post the story, and that's how we can use saved audio or music on Instagram story. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.